class 6. I am your SST teacher. Today I am going to teach you SST chapter 3 of history part 2. In previous class you learned the how to early people get farming and rear animals. Now you learn the domestication. As described, man control certain plants and animals. If he want to, he can control how to plant grow. When we man know how to plant grow and which season we grow the plant, then he do himself is domestication. Now he can control the movement of animal and restrict them to stay in a limited area and not wander off, because he have a lot of food and he know that how to they used to plant for their use and the animal for their use, so they not wander here and there for gather food. They settle one place to make a family and a village. He keeps control and takes care of these plants and animals so that they will be of use to him one day. When man selects certain type of plant and animal and keep them under his care and control and uses them his survival, we call it domestication. He may consume to milk produced by the animal or the fruit from the plants. The important things to remember is that man domesticated animal that were used to him some way. He also domesticated only those animals that plant that were not too difficult to look after. The early man reared some animal they have not a difficulty to look after, because the heavy look after the any animal they have the lot of problems, so they rear which animal they have the some eating food, yet they have not difficulty to search them for food. For example, wheat and barley can grow even with less water, and therefore these were some of the first crop to be cultivated by man. Now improvements in tools. In the previous part you know that their tools are polished. In Neolithic age their tools are polished, so in the previous year their tools are not polished and not improved, but in Neolithic age they improved their tools. Neolithic men use new and different tools. They use basalts to make tools such as sickle, blades and grinding stone. These tools were not only harder and stronger, but they could also be shaped and polished so that they could have a fine edge to cut with. Invention of pottery. You know that in previous chapter the early men have no any ideas to pottery. They have it in their hand and they eat raw meat, but in new days and in the Neolithic age they know how to use the fire and they cook foods, and invention of pottery to store and cook food vessels which could hold grain and liquid as well as stand heat where needed. Men learned to make clay pottery and they bake it on fire because they know that about to fire in Neolithic age. The potter's wheel enable him to make different size of pot in a very short time. Latin man also started glazing and decorating the post and the large scale building activities. Now they know how to do farming, and they settled one place with their family and make a village. So large scale of building activities. Building was another area which Neolithic people made remarkable process. They used mud bricks to construct construct their house. Now the large scale building activity. Building was another area in which Neolithic people made remarkable process. They used mud bricks to construct house because they have not made house before it, so they use a mud and bricks to construct their house. The best example can be found at the Cattle Hump, West Asia. They also built tombs to bury the dead. When the people are dead, they built a tomb when the dead people are lived there. In the Europe and particularly in Ireland, many such tombs still exist. Neolithic people in the British Isles built long burrows and a chamber tomb for their dead. Invention of wheel. In the Neolithic is the main boon of the invention of wheels. Invention of wheel. Neolithic man's intelligence led him to invent the wheel. A round trunk of felled tree might have given him this idea. When he cut the round trunk of wood, it might have rolled down a slope. Thus occurred to him the ideas of wheel. The invention of wheel was one of the most important achievements of man in the Neolithic age, because as a result they go there easily here and there, and they load their things on a cart, and they went to market, and they went to farm and carry their loads in their houses. As a result, the wheel cart appeared. It has to move heavy load from one place to another and made travel easier and comfortable. The wheels was also used for making beautiful pots as well as for spinning and weaving, because the wheel pots wavered when they spin the mods, and they made a beautiful pots. It also helped in development of art and craft. So the invention of wheel is the very important thing in the Neolithic age. Now their part 2 is complete, and this part you learn what is domestication and improvement in tools, invention of poetry, large scale building activities, and invention of wheel. Read carefully and do hard work.